and welcome to a quick room tour of the Disney Wonder Room 2104. This room features an ocean view on deck 2. It comes with a split bathroom, which is wonderful for families. In this one, you have a sink. Notice the hairdryer on the wall, toilet. And on the other side here, you have a sink with a tub shower combo. My husband was 6'4" and he did fit, although it was just a smidge tight. But if you like a tub for your littles, this is perfect. I like the in-room amenities like the soap, shampoo, and conditioner, but if you need a little extra conditioner, bring your own. This room also has plenty of storage. There's a closet. This was a 7-night cruise, so we brought tons of clothes. We actually did laundry. The laundry is just a few doors down on the other side of the hallway. The only downside of that is sometimes our room was a little on the warm side. We really had to crank down the heat. The temperature during our cruise was anywhere from 35 to about 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, don't forget about those onboard gifts. We love the cloud and blue at sail away as a family, just to have a little extra magic to our cruise. It is a connecting room with 2102. There's a queen-size bed with nightstands on either side, plenty of plugs, but I do recommend bringing some extra USBs. This chest of drawers is amazing to put clothes in. This really saved us having to go in and out of our suitcases quite a bit during the 7-day cruise. Love the space up on top for storage too. There are the curtains for privacy at night. This couch folds down into a bed, and then the one in the ceiling pulls down. That's what that ladder in the closet was for that top bunk bed when it pulls down. We decided to order bottled water via onboard gifts, being on deck 2. If you're on one of the upper decks and closer to the pool where they have the soda stations, you can get filtered water. But since we were down a bit, it saved us some steps. The drawer comes complete with stationery and your door hanger to order breakfast via room service in the mornings. It is complimentary. They will bring coffee. It's mostly pastries and carb-heavy breakfast items. If you want some protein, you might have to visit the buffet or go to the sit-down breakfast. But if you're in a hurry to get out to your excursion in the morning, this is absolutely perfect. We were silver members on this cruise, so we did get the little castaway bag and lanyards, which we love the lanyards. The view in the port of Vancouver is gorgeous. We really liked being on deck 2 since it was cold at times. It gave us a little respite from the wind, but we could still look out. Thanks for watching, and feel free to email if you have any questions.